Welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing about configuring our Java development environment. For doing Java programming and coding our Java code, compiling it, and developing the application, it is important to install Java JDK. So here will be our course outline. First step, we'll install JDK version 21. This is the latest and the most feature-rich JDK version right now in the market. Then we'll set up the environment variable. Then we'll install IntelliJ IDEA Community latest edition. Let's see how do we first download the JDK 21. In order to download JDK 21, you can go to the Oracle website or the link that I have displayed here. You will be routed to an Oracle homepage. Let's try it our own. Moving back to Google Chrome, I will type in just Oracle JDK and it will show me the first result, oracle.com. Go to the downloads, select JDK version 20, your operating system, Windows. On Windows, select Windows and then download the installer. If you're on Mac OS, install the Mac OS version. So I have already downloaded JDK Mac OS version ARC64. So it's downloaded. We'll install it in the next moment, and after the installation is done, we'll have to set the environment variable. So the next step after installing is we need to set up the environment variable. In Mac OS, there are different ways in which you can set the environment variable. One of them is that we can set this path or the JDK installation path to the ZSHRC file. So first we'll give the command from the home directory open.zshrc, correct, and this will show you all the paths. Because I am already using Java development, I have set the Java home path to version 1.8, but you just need to set this variable export Java home and the directory path where the Java JDK 21 will be installed, correct? So this is we are done with setting up the environment. Next we will install IntelliJ IDEA. For IntelliJ installation, we need to go to JetBrains website. So just type in JetBrains, correct? Go to the download page, select the community edition and download. I've already downloaded it and the downloadation is done. Just double click on the DMG or the exec file and the installation will be completed on its own. In this video, I've just shown you the environment variable setup for Mac OS. In case you are using Windows system, it is similar. You have to go to the system variables, advanced system variables, and go to environment variables, and therein you need to define your Java path, the directory where your Java files were downloaded and installed, correct? So I hope you are clear with this installation. Thank you for watching this video.